The AH-1 Cobra is a renowned attack helicopter that has been a staple of the United States military and other nations' armed forces since the 1960s. Originally developed by Bell Helicopter, the Cobra was designed to provide close air support for ground troops and perform anti-tank missions. The AH-1 Cobra was developed as a successor to the UH-1 Iroquois Huey helicopter. It was specifically designed for the role of a dedicated attack helicopter, rather than a utility or transport helicopter like its predecessor UH-1 Iroquois. The primary mission of the AH-1 Cobra is to conduct close air support for ground forces and anti-armor operations. It is equipped with weapons systems such as rockets, missiles, like the TOW anti-tank missile, and a chin-mounted cannon. The AH-1 has seen several variants and upgrades: AH-1G, AH-1W Super Cobra, AH-1Z Viper. Cobra features a tandem cockpit arrangement, with the pilot sitting in the rear and the co-pilot, gunner in the front. This layout provides good visibility and situational awareness for the crew. The AH-1 Cobra is an attack helicopter that typically carries a variety of weapons, including M28 turret, two 7.62mm, 0.308 in multi-barrel miniguns, or two 40mm grenade launchers, or one of each, M158 launcher, 7 rockets, M200 launcher, 19 rockets, pylon-mounted M61 Vulcan automatic 20mm cannon, 1 cannon, Hellfire missile.